Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. In this video tutorial I'm going to talk about C++, namely about the relationship between array and pointers. Actually, the array works like a pointer, like a constant pointer, and we can use the name of the array as a pointer. How this works, I'm going to do an example, an application, and you can see through this application how we can use the name of array as a pointer. So I'm going to declare here on this line an integer array named a, and I'm going to initialize this array with this value. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, semicolon. On the other line, I'm going to use the cout object to display in console the result. So I'm going to use the indirection operator. This asterisk operator is called indirection operator if you're going to use a pointer. And now I'm going to type the name of the array, yeah, and here std and line. As you can see, I used the name of the array as a pointer, yeah, the same name a used as a pointer because I use this asterisk before the name of the array. Using in this way the name of the array as a pointer, you will get the value of the first array element. So let's run this application. Here you go. So I received this value 1 in console. So as you can see, I received the value of the first element of the array in console. Because I use the name of the array as a pointer as a dereferenced pointer. Dereferenced pointer is then when you use this asterisk before the pointer. If I'm going to remove the asterisk, let's see what is going to happen. I run again this application. Here you go. I get the address. Actually, this is the address of the first array element, because now here is just the name of the array, and because I don't have that asterisk before the name of the array, we can't get the value of the first array element. But at the same time, this is the proof that the array works as a pointer, yeah, because we get the address of the first array element. If I'm going to change this, and I'm going to use the name of the array as a dereferenced pointer using this indirection operator, and I run again this application, I get the value 1, which is the value of the first array element, as you can see of this array A. But how can a pointer using the name of the array to get the entire content of an array? You will see this in the next video tutorial. See you then.